These are the 5 things that you need to do not to be broke. Okay, now, guys, in most cases, we will experience a time where we're just going to go broke. No money. Maybe we do have some money, but the money that we have is not enough to pay all our bills, or maybe not enough to take care of ourselves for the rest of the month. Now, I want to give you 5 things that you need to do in order for you not to get broke in 2025. The first thing, I know some people are not a fan of the first thing that I want to mention. That's why I want to start with it. Reading books. You need to read books about how to make money. We live in a digital era, and in a digital era, people are making millions of dollars. People coming from being broke and becoming millionaires. Some of them multi-millionaires. I'm on my own road to becoming a millionaire because I'm leveraging the digital era. In the digital era, you can sell products, you can join affiliate programs, you can do so many things just to make yourself extra cash and passive income if you have a 9 to 5. You need to quit watching television a lot or watching too many videos and start reading, because reading, it does add to your knowledge, and then you will get information on how you can actually make yourself some money and get out from being broke. Second thing, always invest in something. If you have yourself $100, take that $100 and find programs that you can actually invest in that within 12 months, maybe to 5 years, it could make you $10,000, $100,000, depending on the investment opportunity that you have found. Instead of taking that $100 and complaining and like, oh, this is my last $100, I'm broke, etc. and so on. No, be wise with it and try and stretch it as much as you can when it comes to investments. Some investments don't even require you any more than $10, $50. Just take your chances. One day you are going to thank me. The only thing that you have to do, read so that you get the information on how you can invest that $100 into $100,000. Number 3, if you have financial dreams or you have financial goals, you need to take action. Don't just sit around and like twiddle your thumb wondering, where am I going to get $100 from or $10,000 from? You need to take action. There are so many things that you can do. You can look inside your house. There are things that you're no longer using, probably in the kitchen utensils. There are some things that you no longer use. You go into your closet, maybe there's some shoes, there's some clothes, coats, caps, you name them, that you no longer use. Either they are too tight or they're too big, or they're gone out of fashion, that you can put on Facebook store, or those that have TikTok store or TikTok shop. You can put them there and sell and make yourself money. Thrifting is also a great way of buying those clothes at a small price and put them on your Facebook store, sell them at a higher price and make yourself money. And that recurring bottom line that you make, you go and purchase more or stock up more to a point where you even have your own online store. Maybe you can even go as far as going to Shopify store or your Etsy store, or any store online, including your own website. So you need to be sharp here. Again, all of this that I'm saying leads back to point number 1. Read books, because books of these days, they are linking you with how to make money in the 21st century. There's always new information that you can actually take and run with them. Number 4, stop buying unnecessary things, because that takes away from the little that you are earning from your salary or from your wages, or whatever the case might be. Start unsubscribing to things that you are not using, like gym membership. When last did you go to the gym since the year began? I know the New Year's resolution. I want to lose so much weight by March, and now you're no longer going to the gym. Guess what is going to happen to your money at the end of the month? A debit order from the gym that you join is going to be taken, and you'll be losing money, and you will be wondering, why am I broke? Go and unsubscribe. If you have Netflix and you hardly ever watch Netflix shows, go and unsubscribe, because those Netflix charges, they compound. At the end of the year, when you look, you're like, wow, so much money I have spent, and yet I have not watched a show, or I hardly ever watch a show on Netflix. And finally, number 5, start a YouTube channel. Yeah, start a YouTube channel, because that is another way of preventing yourself from being broke. Right now, YouTube is on easy mode, meaning if you start a YouTube channel today, chances are within 7 days, it will start making you money, meaning it will be monetized. In order to monetize your YouTube channel, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours within 365 days. So you need to take this opportunity while the window is still opened, because sooner or later it's going to close and it's going to become a little bit difficult to start a YouTube channel. It's easy to start a YouTube channel, but growing it to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours within 365 days can be like pulling tooth without anesthetics. So start now by starting your own YouTube channel so that you can stand a chance on adding on the money that you are already making as a 9-to-5er, or maybe you have a part-time job and then you need some extra cash. A YouTube channel will add onto the little that you are earning. Maybe you are retired and you are bored and you don't know what to do and you still need some cash. Start a YouTube channel. Right now, older people between the ages of 35 all the way to 80, they have YouTube channels now, and we see the YouTube videos sharing how much money they've made in 2024. And I can tell you, we are talking tens of thousands of dollars here. No cap. Tens of thousands of dollars here. So if you don't want to be broke in 2025, start a YouTube channel. Just have a topic that you would like to talk about, as long as that topic is within the community guidelines as well as advertiser-friendly guidelines or policies of YouTube, including Google policies that they basically want you to know, so that you do not violate them with your content and then you find your YouTube channel in trouble, possibly even deleted from the platform. So do your research, check what you can talk about. There's so many things that you can talk about. You can even talk about things that you are passionate about. Whatever that is, turn it into content. These days, everything is content. Other than that, please don't leave this video without liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing. And I'll see you next time with a new video. Goodbye.